What's up guys, Justin here of Gigatech, and OPPO has recently added another smartphone under the Reno4 series. This is the Reno4 Z 5G. It's a 5G enabled mid-range smartphone powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 800 chip. We finally got our hands on one, so without further ado, let's do a quick tour of this device. Alright, so first, as you can see, we have here the usual box with its name on it, and then lifting it up, we have a smaller box, and inside that is the SIM ejector tool, the manuals, and the jelly case. Then below that, we have the phone itself, a USB Type-C cable, earphones, and the charger. So as you can see, the unit we have here is in the ink black color, but it also comes in a dew white variant if you're interested. It's quite prone to fingerprint smudges due to its glossy finish, so you might have to wipe it every now and then. Or better yet, put the free case on it. Looking at the rear, it looks like it's covered in glass, but it's actually made out of polycarbonate material. In the hands, it feels very light but at the same time premium. It's got a slim profile with curved edges that makes it more comfortable to grip. Flipping things over the front, the OPPO Reno4 Z 5G has a 6.57-inch LTPS LCD display with a 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and a pixel density of 401 pixels per inch. Notably, it also has a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth animations and transitions, and you'll also notice that it has slim bezels for an immersive viewing experience. Now found on the upper left corner is the hole punch for the dual selfie cameras. For protection, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 Plus on top and a pre-installed screen protector. On the right, we have the power button that also doubles as a fingerprint sensor, while on the left, you can find the tactile and clicky volume rocker, which is reachable even with small hands. Also found here is the dual SIM card tray with no slot for a micro SD card. Up top is a secondary microphone, while at the bottom are its loudspeaker, primary microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Talk about hardware. Powering the Reno4 Z 5G is a MediaTek Dimensity 800 processor. It's paired with a Mali G57 MC4 GPU, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. And as for battery, it has a 4000 mAh capacity with support for 18 watts VOOC fast charging. Software-wise, it runs on ColorOS 7.1 that's based on Android 10. When it comes to cameras, we get a quad rear camera setup composed of a 48MP main, an 8MP ultra-wide, a 2MP monochrome, and a 2MP macro lens. For selfies, its dual shooters consist of a 16MP main and a 2MP depth sensor. We'll go more in-depth in our full review, but for now, take a look at these sample photos. So this OPPO Reno4 Z 5G is priced at 20,990 pesos. We'll know more about the device in our full review, so stay tuned. And that's it for now. What do you want to know more about this OPPO Reno4 Z 5G? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit gigatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home. And please stay safe.